Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today's video is going to be quite interesting because today I'm going to find out whether I need to change my laptop battery or not. There's a very simple and easy command for that, but first of all I need to check how long does my current battery last. So let's begin this video. You can see my battery is almost full, 97%, and the estimate time remaining is 5 hours 23 minutes. This time is technically not right because it just does some studying by this, and it keeps on changing as the battery percentage decreases. As you can see the screenshot, as you can see it is 98% and it's showing 2 hours 18 minutes. So you can see that this estimation is not right. And as far as my understanding, I know that my battery can last longer than 3 hours. So let's check whether my estimation is right or wrong by using a stopwatch. Let's begin this timer now. Now you can see the battery is at 20% and the estimate time remaining is 1 hour 9 minutes. I'm pretty sure that this is not accurate because around 30 minutes should be the real estimated time. Now you can see as had come to 19%, the time has increased to 1 hour 12 minutes. So this is not accurate timings. It should last like around 20 minutes, and the stopwatch is telling us 41 minutes and 31 seconds. So my calculation was correct that the battery would last around 3 hours. So now to make sure to double check that the battery is the only issue, we will run a code to check it. So let me switch to my screen. So my estimation was correct that the battery would last around 3 hours. Now to double check that the battery is the issue, we will run one command in CMD. So we'll go to CMD and search power cfg slash battery report. Now you click enter after hitting this and it will provide you a path. So you copy it until HTML, don't copy the full stop. Ctrl C. Now we will go on my files, this PC, and just paste it. Ctrl V. Now click enter. It has it has provided you the accurate report of your battery. As you can see, the design capacity was 27,000 milliwatts and the full charge capacity is now 27,588 milliwatts. So it is the perfect time that I changed my battery, and it provided us all the stats. You can view that by yourself once if you're facing the same issue as me. And mostly this is the full history. They will provide the battery capacity history. So originally the battery capacity for me, if it is design capacity is 97,000 milliwatts, it should be 61,525 milliwatts. But now I believe we are on the last stage and it's this much. So I think it's the perfect time that I change my battery. If you guys feel confused that how did I get to this path, so just come to CMD, write power CFG and battery report and click enter. You'll find a path location. It will provide you a file path. Just copy it. Don't copy the full stop. Ctrl C for copying it, and then for pasting it, Ctrl V. Ctrl C for copying and Ctrl V for pasting. And click enter and it will open the battery report for you. If you guys found this video informative, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.